Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen. If you're new here, we have done a couple of closet clean out videos here on this channel, and I just wanted to give you guys another one for seasonal transitioning. So we are going from winter to spring and summer, and on top of that, we are actually going to be moving for the foreseeable future to Corpus Christi, Texas, and I'm not going to be taking all of my clothes, and so I felt like now would be a great time to go ahead and go through my closet and move everything out that is fall and winter. So I hope you guys will come along with me as we do this today. And yes, the big news is we are moving again. If you have been around here for a little while, then you know that we last year around this time actually went to St. Croix in the Virgin Islands, and now we're going to Corpus Christi. So exciting things are happening around here on the channel, but I wanted to take you guys into my closet as it is right now. We're going to clean it up just a little bit, then we're going to get rid of things that I didn't wear, and then we're going to take out everything that isn't going to take us in to the next season before I get ready to pack to leave for Corpus Christi. So come along and let's get this done together. I want to give you a quick overview of the situation of the closet and kind of where it's at now and what is going on, and then we will pick it up together. So I have some sheets that need to be folded. I have some shoes out of place down there on the floor. A couple of things that I've just kind of thrown in here that need to be folded. And these clothes actually I put in here from doing laundry. I need to put those where they go before I start cleaning everything out. And then you might have noticed Justin's shorts were all out of order. And honestly, we just got back from vacation. I did all the laundry and just threw them up there because I'm about to take them all back down and pack them. So just ignore that for now. But let's get this closet a little bit more spruced up, and then we will start cleaning out the closet for the spring and summertime. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start right here and move these sheets out of here. I'm gonna fold them a little bit later, probably off camera this time, but we're gonna get them out of here. And then this is a bag of some shirts that I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep, but I'm bringing them to Corpus with me, so we're gonna leave them where they are. So originally I had planned on just throwing these in my suitcase, but I felt like not only for the sake of this video, but just for keeping everything organized, I would go ahead and fold them. To be honest with you, my plan is to take all of these organizers, like this organizer right here, pick it up and put it right into the suitcase, because I feel like I'm gonna want that in our apartment in Corpus. So that's another reason I decided to go ahead and spruce literally everything up in the closet today, just to make our transition a little bit easier. All right, so this drawer is good. Perfection is not what we're aiming for today. We're just trying to get everything organized. This drawer still looks fine. This one is just like my pajamas. That one looks okay. And then I have a couple of bathing suits that I need to fold, so let's do that right now. Alright, so that drawer is looking good again, so I feel really good about my dresser. Now let's straighten up these shoes on the floor. It's kind of ironic that I'm wearing a full-blown sweatshirt today and I'm taking all my winter clothes out of the closet. But it is actually like 40s, 50s here, and it's not going to be over there. So I'm getting in one last sweatshirt, and I'm not mad about it. So as I mentioned earlier, this section of clothes are fresh from the laundry, and I just need to put them where they belong. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, so we got that done. I have been wanting to come in here and reorganize my closet, and I just never have. So everything is still color coded. Usually I have it organized by category, so I have like all of my tank tops, and then I'll have those divided up between like workout, dress, that kind of thing. And then I'll have like short sleeves, long sleeves, hoodies. But this year I did it a little bit differently, and I liked it. It was super easy to put stuff away, but I kept finding myself wanting to go back to the way that I used to do it. So I don't know that I would do it again, but maybe. I think it works better like this if you have like more clothes, because it like looks better when it's divided into color. But I prefer, like, to me this is very aesthetically pleasing. Like, you see all of your tank tops, like they're all the same length. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through my closet piece by piece. I'm not taking it all down. I'm not doing the KonMari style this time. I have done that here on my channel. I'll link that right here. But I'm just going to quickly glance over and make sure I've been wearing it. And then if I can't take it over into spring and summer, I'm going to go ahead and move it into my closet in my office where I keep my out of season clothes. So let's do that really quick.
When my head is full of questions and the sky is full of rain, when I'm worrying about what
So I have not been wearing this shirt. I'm going to go ahead and move that into Justin's closet because this was his, and I was like, oh, I might wear it. I just don't think I will because I haven't. So let me just give that back to him. So these are all my hoodies, like workout, like hoodies I can wear to the gym. So I'm going to go ahead and move those out of here. So now I'm just going like color by color and taking out any long sleeve shirts because I absolutely do not wear long sleeve in the summer and winter. So every single one of those is gonna go, and this is like the majority of my closet. So you will see it look very empty, and I'm sorry for looking in the viewfinder. It's a really hard habit to break, especially because I don't talk to the camera a whole lot. So when I do, I always find myself like looking in the viewfinder. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit closer and we're gonna keep going. Alright, so all of the tank tops I'm just gonna push over. Here's a section of long sleeves we're gonna go ahead and pull out.
Smile when the sky is falling, smile when the love comes calling. We can take tomorrow on with style. If we just smile, we can forget all of our troubles for a while. We can just live inside this moment, you and I, get through the darkness knowing.
Alright, so this is the last of my dress shirts. I have a whole bunch of hoodies over there that I need to go through. We'll be right back. Okay, so now that everything is out of the closet from all sides, that is for spring and summer, we are going to go ahead and reorganize everything to make it a little bit easier to find what we want to take with us. I'm going to be leaving a lot of this here. I don't plan on getting dressed up very much over there, so all of my nicer clothes are going to stay, and I'm just going to take like gym clothes, beach clothes, workout clothes, and pool clothes. So let's go ahead and rearrange the closet and get it looking a little bit nicer in here. Okay, so I'm going to go way back here. I hope you guys can see me, but what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go through and pull all of my tank tops first. So let's do that really quick. And actually, we're going to make a barrier. So this is all like t-shirts, workout tops, and then these are all my nice clothes. So I'm not going to mess with these just yet because those are pretty much already like all in categories. Plus, I'm basically going to take all of those. So I don't really want to spend much of my time over there. So tank top. Alright, so I've got all my tank tops together. We're gonna do, basically all that's left is short sleeves, so they're also already color coded. I don't know why I was thinking that would take longer, but that didn't take very long at all, so good deal. Okay, so back there are my dresses and like kimonos, and then I have all of my shirts color coded. They're all short sleeve now. Those are my nice tank tops. These are my just regular day-to-day t-shirts, as well as workout tank tops. And then down here I have my extra hangers that are not being used. I have a couple pair of sweatpants. All those are leggings, my jeans, my shorts, and my skirts. And then on the floor, I have boots down here. My tennis shoes are on these couple of racks. And then all of my other shoes over here. And as you can see, these shelves are actually really dusty. So I need to go ahead and get this taken care of while we're in the closet cleaning. Alright, I went and got some dusting spray and a microfiber cloth. And I'm going to quickly wipe down all of these shelves. There's not really a lot on here. I do have like a couple of hats under here. And that is really it. So this won't take me very long at all, but it definitely needs it, as you can see.
Yeah. No fear. Yeah. King. Yeah. No fear. Only fight. I'm fearless. It's only right. My head's up. I stay strong. Forever young. May you live long. With perseverance, hold on and stand tall. Never back down with my back against the wall. I'm an overcomer. I overcame it, y'all. I conquered every mountain. I've been through it all. Yeah, I've been through it all. I'm fearless.
Nothing can ever hold me back.
Nothing.
I'm unstoppable.
I'm unstoppable. I'm fearless. Yeah. I'm fearless. You know.
I'm courageous.
Yeah.
I'm strong.
I'm strong.
I'm unbreakable.
I am.
I'm fearless.
Yeah. I'm fearless.
I am fearless.
Yeah. I'm fearless.
I am fearless.
I am fearless. You know. I am fearless. You know. I am fearless. You can't stop me. You gotta get up and go get it. You gotta want it from the soul. You gotta feel it.
Alright, so this closet looks and feels so much better. It is actually clean. It's always so funny because my clothes are super thin in the spring and summer. I have the hardest time finding those clothes that I like, but that's okay. Everything looks good. All the drawers are cleaned out. So let's go take a look at the damage that we did in here. You'll have to excuse my unmade bed, but we have a giant pile here as well as a giant pile here. All these clothes are gonna get taken into my other closet for the next winter. Okay, I always get so sweaty trying to clean, so sorry if you can see the glisten, but I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you follow along on the journey. If you haven't already, be sure and check out my other closet videos where I did a huge closet purge, huge clean out, a couple different times here on the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.